Hello everyone, I am Nalini from the Venkateshwar School. Today I am telling you how to download PPTs from the SlideShare. So let's get started.
PPTs from slideshare.com. The slideshare.com is a site where you can find lots of number of PowerPoint presentations on different topics. But nowadays, because of COVID-19, we are teaching from home. We are teaching from home, like online classes, and in the online classes we are taking PDFs and PowerPoint presentations, because it is very easier and very helpful to teach the topics to the children's. So how to download PPTs from the SlideShare, because sometimes I have time but sometimes I don't have time to make PPTs. So you can download these PPTs from the slideshare.com. So how to download? First you can go, you open the browser. I am opening my browser, that is Google Chrome, and see, already it is opened here. Now I'm opening from the other browser and typed here www.slideshare.com and click on it. It is loading. See, this is the site slideshare.com, and in the search box you can type your topics, on what topic you want to find the PPT. So I am typing here, my topic is computer network, and search. See, there are finding so many topics on computer, so many PPTs on computer networks, and see in the last there are, see, there are the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and next. There means it is many more in it. So how to download the PPTs? First click on any PPT that you liked it. I'll choose this one, and see, when you open it, in the last of the PPT there is two arrows. You can check the PPT by the help of these arrows, the content is helpful or not, and the content is according to the topic or not. You can check full PPT by the help of these buttons, backward and the forward. Yes, so I am using this PPT, and if you want to download it, then you go to the button, that is download button. You scroll the screen and you can find out the download button, and the download button you can click on it. When you click on it, the one box will come, that is log into SlideShare to download. Before downloading PPT from the site SlideShare, you have an account on LinkedIn, and if you do not have, so I am telling you how to make an account in LinkedIn site. So first log in with SlideShare account. If you do not have, then sign up for an account. Go to the sign up for the account and join LinkedIn. Click here. Yes, make the most professional life. First you have to put a email ID that you are using right now. So I am putting my email ID, that is Vineet Yadav yes, and put the password you have to create now. So I am putting password and agree and join. Now type the first name of yours, and the last name. Okay, so you have to put more secure password. I'm using @ just wait for a second. Okay, now it is created. So first fill up some information in it, country, region, city. That is, if you type, yes, you find out your city here. Then next, now you put the some basic information in it, because we are working on the LinkedIn account. So this is account for the people's profiles for the job people's. Okay, now add. Let's confirm your mail. One verification code. Go to the your email, putting email, that email ID which you are putting in. So you can check the verification code on your email ID. And I am putting the verification code here. And agree and confirm. Okay, let's skip this one, and again skip it. Okay, this is finish. Now it is done. Now again sign it, login in your SlideShare account. With login with LinkedIn. Now it is done. Okay, now easily you can download the PowerPoint presentation from the slideshare.com. Now I'm putting my topic, that is again same topic, computer network. And choosing the first one, introduction to computer network, and download. Yes, it is done. See, when you download the PPT from the slideshare.com, it is download in PDF form only. But we want PPT. So what you do in that case, first open the site, that is smallpdf.com. In smallpdf.com, there are so many options to convert the PDF in Excel, PowerPoint presentation, in PPTs, sorry, in this is the same thing, then JPG. So there are so many kind of converters here. So I am choosing PDF to PPT. This is one, PDF to PPT. Click on it and choose a file. I am choosing my file. that is on my download folder because I'm downloading my PDF. So this one is my PDF that I'll download. Open it. Okay, it's take time. Now it is converting in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now download. It is done, and open it. See, this is my PowerPoint presentation that I downloaded from the SlideShare. See, you can easily see the each and every slide, and you can make changes also in that. If you do not want this content, you can easily change it. If you do not want this image, you can easily exchange this image with another image. Okay, so this is the procedure how to download the slide PPTs from the slideshare.com. Thank you so much.